have AW, AU, and AL. Okay, so I'll explain to you the difference between them. Okay. Okay, so AW and AU, they have the same sound. Okay, same sound. So just as short O. So like O. Everyone say O. O. So AW and AU, O. O. Okay. Okay, so this one, AL, is different. Okay, sometimes it's like O. Okay, like talk. Okay, sometimes the L, the L, like salt. The L, you will hear it. Okay, you will hear salt. Salt. Okay, but sometimes it's talk. Talk. It's AL, yeah, but no L. The L sound, you don't pronounce it. Okay, no L, just short O. Okay. Okay, so let's practice. Okay. Okay, so AW. Okay, you will always find it at the end of the words. End of the words. Okay? So LO. Okay? So O. Okay? Draw. Okay? Okay? So it's at the end of the words. Okay? And then you always find it in the middle. Okay? Middle of the words. Before letters L and K. So if you see, this is K, this is N, this is N, this is N. It's always before L and K in the middle. Okay? So, on. You're on. Okay? So, end of the words, middle of the words, before and K and L. Okay? Okay? Let's practice and see if you get it. Okay? But before that, let's do AU. Okay? AU, you'll find it beginning of the words. Okay? August. Autumn. Automatic. Author. So beginning. Okay? That's AU. Okay? And then you also find it in the middle. Okay? Middle of the words. The author. Sauce. Because. All. Okay, hall. Okay, fine. So now let's try it. So you have to tell me, is it AW or AU? Okay, 2 points. 2 points. Is it AW or AU? So remember AW at the end of the words, yeah, or before the letters L and K. Okay, so look at this, the empty spaces, and think about it. Raise your hand. Number 1. AW or AU? What do you think? What do you think? AU is always at the beginning of the words, sometimes in the middle. Raise your hand. Sandy? Take a guess. Is it AW or AU? AU, very good. 2 points. Okay, it's AU. Audit. Everyone say audit. Audit. Okay, this one. Okay, now we are all ready. Okay, now it's a warm up. Okay, Teddy. AW or AU? AU. Yes, because. So it's AU. Okay, it's in the middle. Remember, in the middle, yeah? Okay, this one. Adeline? A-W, Thor. Thor. A-W. Okay, this one, S-T-R, A-W or A-U. Yes, Henry, very good. A-W, straw. Okay, let's look at them. You see that? A-U, audit. Okay, audit. Audit. Because. Frog. Fall. T-H. Yeah, Thor. Straw. Okay, L. A-W is before L. Okay, so A-W, can't be A-U, yeah? Okay, great. Okay, now A-L sound. Okay, A-L sound, I said, remember sometimes it has short O sound, okay? Sometimes you will hear the L, okay? So this side is the short O sound, okay? This side is the you will hear it, okay? So let's go through it. Talk. Never talk. No, okay? Talk. Walk. Stop. Chalk. Okay? This one, you will hear the sound, okay? Salt. Malt. Almost. All right. Okay, you can hear the difference, yeah? So just remember there's different, sometimes it's different, so you have to think about it a little bit, okay? Okay, so let's see. S, what are you gonna match it with? Let's match it, 2 points again, okay? S, you tell me, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, which one? Raise your hand if you know. This one, which 1, 2, 3, 4? Just tell me the number. And you can check. Who knows? Raise your hand. Henry?
1.
This one goes with what? 1, 2, or 3, or 4? 3. Okay, let's check. Salt. Okay, salt. Okay, this one I gave you the answer. Okay, so Henry, 2 points for yours. Okay, this one. Chalk. Okay, no L sound. Okay, this one. Jimmy. Which one? This one. This one is easy, yeah? Huh? This one. Which one does it go with? A, 2, B's. Which one? This one. Yes. Okay. Almost. 2 points. Almost. This one L, it's you can hear it, yeah? Okay. This one. Who had an idea? Sandy? Walk. Very good. Walk. Okay. So this one is short O sound. Walk. Okay. Let's do it together. Salt. Chalk. Almost. And then walk. Okay, so this is how you differentiate them. Okay, fine. Okay, now you're gonna learn a reading. Okay, teacher Irene is gonna help you to learn a reading. It will have those words, so you should know how to pronounce them. Okay. So first, this one. Let's look at the instructions. Okay. So you're gonna take out your iPad. Okay. Close your books. And just have your leaflet that teacher Irene gave you. Andy, Andy, your leaflet, yes. Close your books and just have your leaflet, okay? got your iPads, okay? iPads, GB, iPad. Okay, so you're gonna scan the QR code and then you're gonna record yourself reading, okay? This one, you wanna record yourself reading it, okay? Record yourself on the iPad and put your mic close to you when you record, okay? Okay, you have 10 minutes. Teacher Irene is gonna time you once you have scanned the QR code, okay? Yeah? Yes. This one. Okay, first, look at, is everybody scanned? Teacher Irene, is she scanned already? Yes. Okay. Okay, let's look at Teacher Precious's recording, okay, as an example.
Sam is a tall boy with short black hair. He likes to scare his little brother and talk to his friends. His favorite month is August because he can go swimming. He likes cats very much. He likes to see a cat sitting down on the stairs and waving its paw.
Okay? Let me play it one more time.
Sam is a tall boy with short black hair. He likes to scare his little brother and talk to his friends. His favorite month is August because he can go swimming. He likes cats very much. He likes to see a cat sitting down on the stairs and waving its paw.
Okay, so 10 minutes. Where's the this is yours, right? Sandy?
Sam is a helper with short black hair. He likes to scare his little brother and talk to his friends. His favorite month is August because he can go swimming. He likes cats very much. He likes to see a cat sitting there on the stairs and waving its paw. He likes cats very much. He likes to see a cat sitting down on the stairs and waving its paw.